Get ready for a rapid-fire news blitz. We're diving deep into Amazon's stock chart for a triple top warning. Then, we're uncovering incredible deals from Amazon's Japanese storefront. Next, we're getting the latest on Rivian's electric van deal with Amazon. And finally, we're exposing the powerful digital movement of indigenous people protecting the Amazon region. Stick around, you won't want to miss this. Hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. Amazon's chart flirts with a triple top. Is caution warranted? Amazon.com Inc. is hovering just below its all-time high, a level that has proven to be a significant resistance point twice this year. This repeated testing of the $240 mark is creating a technical pattern known as a triple top, which often signals a potential reversal. For investors who have seen Amazon's stock surge nearly 50% since April, this chart formation raises a critical question. Is it time to be cautious? A triple top pattern occurs when a stock fails to break through a resistance level on 3 separate occasions. This suggests that buying momentum is waning, and sellers may be gaining control. If Amazon cannot decisively break above $240 soon, the stock could face a significant pullback, potentially heading back towards support levels around $220 or even $210. The key for the bulls, or optimistic investors, is a strong, high-volume surge above $240, which would invalidate the bearish signal and confirm continued upward momentum. Despite the technical warning signs, there are fundamental reasons for optimism. Amazon's core businesses, particularly Amazon Web Services, AWS, continue to show robust revenue growth. The company's significant investments in artificial intelligence infrastructure, while impacting short-term cash flow, are expected to yield substantial long-term returns. Analysts at Wedbush have even named Amazon as a top AI stock pick for the remainder of the year. Furthermore, Wall Street remains largely supportive, with firms like Cantor Fitzgerald reiterating overweight, ratings, and price targets well above the current trading level. The ongoing strength in Oz and the potential of the Project Kuiper satellite initiative are seen as major growth drivers for the next decade. Investors are faced with a strategic decision. Enter positions now in anticipation of a breakout or wait for confirmation above the $240 resistance level. While the triple top threat is real, the underlying fundamentals and analyst sentiment suggest that the odds still favor continued growth for Amazon. But before we look at the next big story, remember, the market is always moving. Will this technical warning be ignored, or is Amazon poised for another leap higher? Unlock hidden gems. Discover Amazon's secret Japanese storefront. Did you know Amazon has a curated section brimming with high-quality products directly from Japan? This special storefront offers an incredible array of items, from artisanal kitchenware to unique toys and cutting-edge electronics, often at more competitive prices than you might find elsewhere. It's a fantastic opportunity to experience Japanese craftsmanship and innovation without leaving your home. This unique Amazon collection showcases products from Japanese companies and artisans, reflecting the rich culture and history of Japan. You can find everything from professional-grade KOTE to carbon steel woks, designed for ease of use even with limited grip strength, to the Hario V60 drip coffee decanter, lauded for brewing incredibly fresh coffee with a cool-touch silicone grip and easy pour spout. For families, the adorable rice ball mini bear mold makes mealtime fun, while the instant pickle maker offers a convenient way to enjoy homemade Japanese pickles. Seki Japan's small fruit knife, a sharp stainless steel blade similar to a santoku, comes with a protective wooden sheath, perfect for culinary enthusiasts. Shoppers are raving about the quality and authenticity of these Japanese goods, highlighting their durability and unique design. The convenience of accessing these curated items through Amazon, combined with the cultural richness they represent, makes this storefront a must-explore destination for discerning consumers. These deals are amazing, but what happens when big business meets eco-friendly innovation? We're talking about electric vans and a groundbreaking partnership that's changing logistics. Stay tuned. Rivian CEO confirms Amazon van deal on track, eyes contract expansion. Rivian's ambitious plan to deliver 100,000 electric delivery vans to Amazon is proceeding as planned, according to CEO RJ Scaring. While the broader commercial adoption of electric vehicles has been slower than initially anticipated, Scaring remains optimistic about the future, citing the compelling economics of EVs over the long term. The company is already looking beyond the initial Amazon contract, hinting at significant expansion opportunities within Amazon's vast fleet. Scaring acknowledged in a recent interview that the electrification of commercial fleets has faced hurdles, with potential buyers being more cautious due to capital constraints and geopolitical shifts. Despite these challenges, he firmly believes that the total cost of ownership for electric vehicles will drive widespread adoption over the next 5 years. As of June, Amazon had over 30,000 Rivian electric vans in operation in the U.S., a significant increase from the end of last year, and these vans have already delivered over 1 billion packages in 2024 alone. This progress suggests that the partnership with Amazon, which began with a significant investment in 2019, is a cornerstone of Rivian's strategy. Beyond the Amazon deal, Rivian is also preparing for a direct-to-consumer business model in Europe, targeting a 2027 launch. The company is leveraging its existing European infrastructure, established through its work with Amazon, to support this expansion, particularly for its upcoming R2 vehicle. This move signals Rivian's intent to become a global player in the electric vehicle market. Public reaction to Rivian's progress has been cautiously optimistic. While acknowledging the slower-than-expected rollout, investors and industry watchers are encouraged by the CEO's confidence and the tangible progress with Amazon. The potential for future growth within Amazon's fleet and the planned European expansion are key factors driving interest. From electric fleets revolutionizing deliveries to a powerful movement safeguarding vital ecosystems, the world is changing. Next, we're heading deep into the Amazon rainforest to uncover a story of digital resistance and environmental defense. Digital warriors, how indigenous voices are reshaping the Amazon's future. In the heart of the Amazon, a powerful digital movement is empowering indigenous communities to document and share their own stories about the profound changes happening in their ancestral lands. Using everything from sound recorders to smartphones and social media, indigenous communicators are transforming their lived experiences into crucial climate knowledge, defending their territories, and influencing global environmental policy. Spearheaded by networks like Media Indígena, founded by Eric Tarana and other young Guajajura leaders, this movement began with a simple yet powerful principle: nothing about us without us. These indigenous journalists are not waiting for outsiders to tell their stories. They are capturing the sounds of the rainforest, documenting the impact of industrial projects, and exposing environmental destruction firsthand. Their work gained critical international attention during the Yanomami humanitarian crisis, where Media Indígena reporters were the first to provide evidence of illegal gold mining's devastating effects. Their authentic, on-the-ground reporting highlights urgent threats like the proposed devastation bill in Brazil, which could weaken environmental protections and facilitate land grabs. The use of media technologies is not just about reporting, it's a form of resistance and survival. Young communicators from collectives like Zingu Plus, Ija Maitali Manoki, and Mikey Cinema Collective are using film and digital platforms to showcase traditional knowledge, challenge outdated perceptions, and advocate for their rights. Their efforts are gaining traction globally, prompting responses from organizations like the U.S. Agency for International Development and the EU. As the UN Climate Summit, COP30, approaches in Brazil, these indigenous voices are poised to play a significant role in shaping international climate decision-making, ensuring their perspectives are heard directly by global leaders and funding donors. Community responses have been overwhelmingly supportive, recognizing the vital importance of these indigenous-led narratives in conservation efforts and climate action. The growing influence of indigenous communicators ensures that their deep connection to the land and their time-tested conservation practices are central to global environmental strategies. These stories are powerful but they're just the beginning of what's happening in the world of business and innovation. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss our recap and the biggest tech title of the year. Amazon's chart is flashing a triple top warning, but analysts are still bullish. We uncovered amazing deals from Amazon's Japanese marketplace. Rivian's CEO confirmed the Amazon van deal is on track with expansion plans, and indigenous voices are using digital tools to protect the Amazon. Don't miss out on any of our insights. Like this video, subscribe to Amazon Insights, hit that notification bell, leave a comment with your thoughts, and follow us on all our social channels for more exclusive content. Thanks for watching.